Good day, you beautiful people. Welcome to LAZADA's Tech, where we do tech in your life in style. And you just watched our quick unboxing on the Infinix Note 30 VIP. Now, a couple of things about the phone, which starts with number one. That is a handful of a name. So it's Infinix Note 30 VIP. Number two, it is named after someone who's willing to walk into a ballin' club. You get what I mean? And number three, it is supposedly a very powerful sub $300 device. In this video, we're gonna take a quick look at the phone and see just what it can do. We're also gonna be doing a quick camera tour and some sample shots. Before anything else, let's take a closer look. Here we are up close and personal with the phone. So this is the glacier white version. There's also a black one, but you guys know I want this color. You have those cameras on the back, a tiny little bump there. That's a very small camera bump. Those are flat sides all around, and up top you have the JBL branding because audio on this device is via JBL. You have dual speaker systems. Setup. You have a dual speaker setup. On the side here, volume rocker, power button. Again, speakers, USB-C. You have an audio jack. Other side gives you that SIM tray. Ooh, dual SIM plus space for a card. That's nice. And then of course up front, fingerprint scanner on that 6.67-inch AMOLED display. Full HD plus 120 Hertz. That is the phone up close. Let's talk about the cool things it can do. Right, so aside from the fact that this phone has a sub $300 price tag, there are a few things that excite me about this device. Number one, it's battery and charging things. First of all, that 5,000 milliamp hour battery packs a lot, but there's also 68-watt fast charge, which they claim can go from 0 to 80 in 30 minutes. Imagine hopping into the shower and charging and your phone going from 0 to 80%. There's also 50-watt wireless charging, which is great because this phone also comes with that wireless charger. And with this package, Infinix also sent me their 50-watt air-cooled wireless charger, which let me know if you want me to talk about that more. Comment down below. So yeah, fast charging all around, but also this phone's charger supports power delivery. So that means you can use that one charger for all the things. I mean, most things. Then it has stuff like reverse wireless charging, which always can be useful, and AI Smart Charge, which means you don't ruin your battery when you charge overnight. For the gamers, there's what Infinix calls bypass charge, which means that when you're on a game, for example, and your battery drops to below, for example, 30%, plug it in and the power will go straight to the motherboard, which means it's more efficient in terms of heat and power delivery and stuff like that. You get what I mean? And then on top of all the battery things, pretty excited because Infinix's XOS on Android 13 has additional multitasking capabilities. For example, you can open multiple floating windows, which for people like me who do a lot of things at the same time, really useful. You have automatic notepad copy-paste capabilities when you're on Google Chrome. Again, when you work on your phone a lot, useful. Anyway, aside from those cool battery features and that wireless charger that comes in box with a phone, there are also gaming stuff on this device that, well, for people who love gaming on their phones, you're good with this one. But what really excites me is, of course, the fact that this sub $300 phone features a 100 megapixel main camera and a 32 megapixel selfie camera. Let's go on to our quick camera tour and some sample shots. Right, camera tour time everyone, and did you see that? That was face unlock, but like I said, this phone does have a fingerprint scanner. Hi, so let's switch to the rear camera, but first, this phone was pretty much low bat when I was about to do the camera tour. So I plugged it in for a quick 10 minutes and it went from 14% to 31%. That's almost 20% battery in 10 minutes. That's pretty impressive, right? So this is your main shooting angle. You have 1x, 2x up until 10x, and whoa, look at that. It's recognizing so many faces on that photo. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 faces in one go. Interesting. And then there is no wide on this. Up here you have settings, flash settings, 108 megapixel mode. Again, the rear camera, the main one, is 108 megapixels, but it uses pixel binning to take smaller but more detailed photos. You also have your AI mode on here, color enhancement, and then size settings. Now here you're also given like different filters, and then on the right side you have a beauty mode, settings, flash settings. You also have like beauty mode for your body. No effects then. You have a beauty mode for your face, so smoother skin. All other stuff, usually I would just toggle like smoother skin here just to give me that little freshness boost. Again, it's nice to use the beauty modes to sort of enhance how you look. Sometimes there are just days where you're too lazy to slap on makeup, but remember, it's okay not to be perfect. Love the real you. 2x, 10x, again, it's recognizing faces. Hello. Back to 1x, you have a portrait mode, and this is an aperture of 1. Wait, can you zoom in? No, you cannot. No, wait. No zooming in or out on portrait mode, but you can toggle the blur between like an aperture of 1 to 16. Now, you have a super night mode, 1x, 2x, up until 10x as well. And then you have your different filters for night mode, different ones for super night mode. On the other side, we have video, and you have a portrait mode live on video. You have beauty mode effects on video, and then you can also shoot 1080p, 30, 60, and 4K 30 FPS. If you do your bokeh mode or your beauty mode, live beauty mode on video, it does downgrade to 1080p. Let's put it back on 4K. There is an ultra steady mode, but it also downgrades to 1080p. That's not new. A lot of phones do that. And then you have a film mode. And these are templates basically that allow you to shoot like quicker little clips ready to be posted on social media. Basically, you pick a template, it guides you through which shots you need to be shooting that, and the phone will edit it for you. Now on to selfie mode. Okay, so you have film mode on selfie. Again, it's basically like templates. Video mode. Hello. Do not mind me. It's been a morning for me. You can shoot up until 1080p 30, 1080p 60, 2K 30 on selfie. You have, you see that? Let's live bokeh on video, and you can toggle. You also have, let's see, put makeup on me because I've been running around. You can switch around intensity, but those are like different makeup modes. Purple eyeshadow. Can you zoom in or out? Yes. Oh, look at this eyeshadow. I should definitely try this for myself. Anyway, you also have ultra steady mode on. Can you do? Okay, you can't really do ultra steady mode plus the makeup stuff. It's either or. And then you have your AI cam. You can zoom to 2x, 1x, no wide. You have AI mode. You have the same filters down here. You have a beauty mode for selfie. Again, you have the makeup stuff. This, see? Wait, here. Different. There's one for guys. Interesting. What's this? It's showing you what it looks like with or without. Okay, portrait mode as well. As you can see, my background is blurred. Can you zoom in or out? No, you cannot. And then a super night mode on selfie. What else do we have here? We have, what's this? AR. This is fun. I can even choose backgrounds. Wait, that's cool. Look at that. Hi. What's this? What if I choose this? Oh no, I think it's just like preview. Okay. And then what else do we have? We have a short video mode. Basically, this is the mode that Android phones add on so that you can shoot with your in-camera app and then share quickly to social media. So this allows you to shoot 15-second clips, and then when you're done, from this menu, it'll allow you to share to your accounts if it's signed on to the phone. So for example, this clip, let's wait for it to finish. Okay, automatic 15-second clips. And then once done, you see your account should pop up here. And then there are also other stuff like different... See, sound effects and filters are built into this mode. You also have a slow motion mode, the wide selfie, and a time-lapse mode. That's it for a quick camera tour. Time for some sample shots. That, friends, concludes this video. That was our first look at the Infinix Note 30 VIP. A lot of things I still want to be testing out with this phone, so let me know what you would want to see. If you want to see a camera vlog test, or a social media test, or a full-on review, comment down below. All details on pricing and availability I have on this phone also in the description box below. If you want to see how I use my tech on a daily basis, find me online. That's LAZADA_ on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Until next time!